Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The brutal torture methods employed by Indian troops, like the firing of pellets on peaceful protesters in the territory, have rendered thousands of Kashmiris disabled for life, including over 200 losing eyesight in one or both eyes. A report released by Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities today said among the most brutal tactics used by Indian troops to disable the Kashmiris include firing of bullets, pellets, power and tear gas shells during anti-India demonstrations, as well as resorting to severe beatings, electric shock, crushing the leg muscles with a wooden roller, burning with heated objects and hanging upside down in interrogation centers. Besides, booby traps and mine blasts are also used against the hapless Kashmiris. Cases of disabilities have increased manifold since New Delhi started using deadly pellets, as over 3,000 Kashmiris are at the verge of losing vision in one or both eyes. The report urges the international community to take cognizance of Indian government's inhuman act of disabling Kashmiris under a systematic torture mechanism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a protest demonstration outside National Press Club Islamabad in connection with the International Day of Persons with Disabilities today to draw the world attention towards the Indian brutalities, particularly the use of pellet guns that has damaged the eyesight of thousands of Kashmiris and rendered hundreds of them totally blind. Pasmani Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir also took out an anti-India rally at Airport Road in Muzaffarabad. Meanwhile, the occupation authorities once again did not allow people to offer Jummah prayers at Jammu Masjid Srinagar for the 17th successive week and 23rd time this year. Anjuman-e-Awqaf Jammu Masjid in a statement said that the ban on Jummah prayers at historic masjid exposed India's hollow claims of being the largest democracy of the world. The president of Anjuman-e-Shara-e-Shian, Aga Saeed Hassan al-Moswi al-Safri, addressing a protest rally in Budgam, also expressed concern over the continued ban on Jummah prayers at Jamia Masjid Srinagar and termed it interference in the religious affairs of the Muslims. Hundreds of party activists and supporters participated in a rally held to protest over the lack of basic amenities like electricity, water, etc. in Budgam and its adjoining areas. The chief patron of Jammu and Kashmir Pirwani Velayat, Sibte Shabir Qumi, addressing a meeting of party's executive committee in Srinagar, said that the Kashmiri people are rendering unparalleled sacrifices in their struggle for securing freedom from Indian subjugation. 3 Kashmiri students arrested in Agra city of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh for cheering Pakistan cricket team's victory in a T20 World Cup match against India in October this year have moved to Allahabad High Court directly for bail. They maintained in their plea that the lawyers in the Taj city have refused to take up their case for bail in the Sessions Court. Pakistan's permanent representative to the United Nations, Munir Akram, has given Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi's letter highlighting the human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to the United Nations Security Council President Abdu Abare.